Last year, Reliance became India's largest and most profitable company, both in the public and the private sectors. Our oil to chemicals division, Jio, and retail, all three have done exceedingly well in the past year. We are also incubating new growth engines within Reliance. Today, Jio is India's largest telecom enterprise in terms of subscribers, revenues, and profits. Jio has truly become the digital gateway of India. Reliance's record contribution to the Indian economy in the last year. We continue to be India's largest exporter at rupees 2,24,391 crores, and with exports to over 107 countries, accounting for 9.8% of India's total merchandise export. Partnerships with leading global and Indian companies. Partnerships with millions of local businesses, SMEs, and micro enterprises across India. I am now delighted to make an announcement about the biggest foreign investment in the history of Reliance. It is also amongst the largest foreign investments ever in India. Saudi Aramco and Reliance have agreed to form a long-term partnership in our oil to chemicals division. In terms of the understanding between the parties, Saudi Aramco will invest in Reliance for a 20% stake in our oil to chemicals division at an enterprise value of $75 billion or over 5.3 lakh crores. On 5th September this year, Jio turns 3 years old. And what an incredible 3 years it has been. Jio's customer base has crossed 340 million users. And still, we are signing up more than 10 million new customers every month. Jio Fiber and Jio's cloud solutions level the playing field for Indian enterprises, enabling them to accelerate their digital transformation and compete globally using the very same technologies that are used by global majors.